Okay, gentlemen, we're looking at this small work of art here. This is the pull straps from the W128. As you can see, a lot of work has gone into it. They're a great looking addition to the car, exactly as original. We have it braided here with skive leather, just as the factory did, and the original chrome refitted. Different thicknesses of belt leather. There's two within here. There's two thicknesses of leather, and then it's beautifully top stitched. And again, not possible without the use of skive leather. We can see here just how thin, paper thin that leather is there to allow for that, and it allows for this quite sculptured look that the factory achieved. So yeah, I think these straps are probably the best looking part of our work in this car. I love them, and we're very proud of them.